Good morning, children. As you all know, we are done with the chapter. So, now, today in this video, students, we are going to begin with the question and answers for your chapter. So, open your notebooks, books, and take out your pen and start writing. So, children, on the very top, you have to write lesson number 2, and in front of it, in the bracket, you have to write down geography. Look here on the screen, you will be able to get the things. And students, those who have any doubts in the spellings should refer to the screen instead of writing the wrong spellings. So, children, on the very top, write down lesson number 2, geography. In the next line, you have to write down the name of the chapter, globes, latitudes and longitudes. I repeat, globes, latitudes and longitudes. You can copy the spelling from your books or you can see the spellings on the screen. Done till here? Now children, you have to put a heading short question answers. Short question answers. Underline it. And from the next line, students, write down the very first question. Now children, the students, those who are slow writers or who will not be able to write along with me, they can pause the video and they can complete your work. Is it okay? The one who will not be able to write along with me as I am dictating, you should stop the video wherever you are left behind. You should complete your work and then begin with the next question. Okay, so children, write down the very first question. What are parallel of latitudes? I repeat, what are parallel of latitudes? Question mark. Write down the answer. The angular distance between the equator and the poles on the surface of the earth. The angular distance between the equator and the poles on the surface of the earth is referred to as the parallel of latitudes. The angular distance between the equator and the poles on the surface of the earth is referred to as the parallel of latitudes. Moving on to the second question, children. Write down question number 2. What are meridians of longitude? See the spellings from the screen or either from your books. What are meridians of longitude? Question mark. Write down the answer. The angular distance of a place on the east and west of the prime meridian on the surface of the earth is referred to as the meridians of longitude. I repeat, the angular distance of a place on the east and west of the prime meridian on the surface of the earth is referred to as the meridians of longitude. I hope you are done with both the questions. Okay, write down the third question. Name the important latitudes of the earth. Name the important latitudes of the earth. Full stop. Write down the answer. The important latitudes are put a hyphen and write from the next line the way it is written. You can check on the screen. Point number 1, the equator 0 degree. Point number 2, the Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree north. You can see the things from the screen, children. Point number 3, Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degree south. Point number 4, the Arctic Circle 66.5 degree north. Point number 5, the Antarctic Circle 66.5 degree south. Sixth point, the North Pole, 90° north. And the last one, children, the South Pole, 90° south. I hope you all have written the 7 latitudes. Now, children, after writing this, you have to draw the diagram of the latitudes of the earth. The diagram is here on your screen. You have to draw this diagram on a drawing sheet and then you will paste it in your fair notebooks. Nobody will draw the diagram directly on the notebook, and make sure you draw a neat and a clean diagram. All of you.